Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The simplest way to reinforce your chain link fence at the bottom is by using tent stakes. Tent stakes can be bought at any hardware store, and they are very cheap. If you don't want to do any kind of installation or you're just not the DIY person, then using tent stakes is a simple and straightforward solution.
Take our lead.
Instead, you can simply cover the existing posts with longer posts in order to extend the fence height. Remove the chain link fence fabric and the top rails, leaving only the fence posts in place. The fencing is usually attached to the line posts and top rails with wire ties that you can untwist with pliers.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
There are a couple of ways you can make your chain link fence more private. You can install bamboo fencing along it to block the view into your yard. You can plant bushes and trees along the length of your fence to form a natural barrier that will obscure your yard.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you are looking for an easier way to close the gaps, try cinder blocks. Place the cinder blocks along the bottom of the fence so they block the gap and the holes in the blocks face upward. Add a few inches of soil or gravel in front of the cinder blocks to secure them in place.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.